Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday. Just want to go over my week in review for how I did last week. I was going to make this video yesterday, but I didn't get around to it. But I did not hold anything this week to expiration. I ended up closing out excuse me, every single position I had I closed out. I got filled on. And I finally did have a decent sized losing trade. But I am up for the week. So this is 4 weeks in a row since I've been doing spreads that I've been profitable by the end of the week. And it's been going pretty good. So, history. So I don't like how Robinhood does this whole history thing. It's hard and very confusing trying to find stuff. It's not detailed enough. Nothing's really grouped together. Like, because I bought this on the 4th, which was Monday, and I sold it, I think, on Wednesday. Now I have to go like way up because it's all grouped together by date. It's so stupid. And every order that you put in and cancel is on here, which I don't want. Because there's a lot of canceled orders. Just a lot of orders I tried getting filled on both ways, buying and selling. You know, you don't get filled, you gotta cancel the order or just re-put in a new order, but it cancels the last order. So we're just gonna start. So let's see here. So I had a total this week of 5 trades. Wednesday I went over the SPY and the NEO call debits, which I think I said I made $10 on each. Well, I'm just going to start at the bottom and I'll find. So January 4th. So this was Monday. Here was the start of the week. It opened. I tried getting filled on a couple Amazon put debits, which I had to cancel. Different spreads and different prices. Limit orders. Finally got filled. I think I went over this trade. 7 contracts, $4.30 with a $5 spread. So max profit was $3,500. So that was on Monday. I closed this trade on the 6th. Let's see. I'm sorry, I closed this trade on the 7th. So I closed out this trade on Thursday. I put in a limit order for $4.92 and I got filled. The max is $5. So because I wanted to avoid all the SEC fees, because it was going to be a lot for 7 contracts with Amazon, it would probably be the same as getting out right now. So I tried $4.95. I didn't get filled. So I said, screw it. You know what? Let me just go a little bit closer to the bid price. A little less than midpoint. I think midpoint was like $4.90. Was like $4.95 when I was first trying to get filled at. Didn't get filled, so I submitted $4.92 and I got filled like not even a minute later. All 7 contracts at $142.90. So I made $3,444 off that trade, right? So where's a calculator? So $3,444 is what I sold it for. And I bought it for $3,010. So that trade made a profit $434 from Monday to Thursday, which is fantastic. So now that was my big winner. Then I had let's see, I'll just keep those open. I should have just kept all the windows open. That's what I should have did. So here's a Neo called debit to open. Oh, I paid 40 for that, and I think I sold this for 50. So this was the 52 by 5250. Yeah, 52 by 5250. So I closed that for 50. So I made $10 on that. So now we're up plus 10. We're up to 444. Then I had a SPY call debit. That I opened on January 5th. So this was Tuesday for $88. And I closed this. This was a 361 by 362. I closed this on Wednesday. It actually expired Wednesday, and it was gonna expire in the money anyways. But I ended up just throwing an order out there for the max profit was $12, so I threw an order out there for 98. The max profit was 100. Alright, just had to run away from the computer really quick. So I think I was saying that this this is only worth 100 anyways, max profit, so $12. So I ended up getting filled on Wednesday, let's see, in the morning for 98. So I bought this for 88. Right, opened for 88, and I closed it for 98. So that's another $10. So we're at 454. And then I had another Neo called debit. I forgot when I opened this one. Let's see. Yeah, on Tuesday. I opened another Neo call debit, so I wanted the price to stay. Oh, this is the one that I rolled down. So I took profit on the first one for $10, and then I rolled this. I got a even further in the money strike, so I wanted the strike to stay above 51 instead of 52.50. And I could have let this expire Friday, but I ended up getting filled on this one also for 123. So I opened it for 99 and I sold it for 123 on January 7th. So this was also Thursday. I had all these positions closed out by Thursday. I threw the order out there to get filled at 3:30. And I think the max was 350. The max was, let's see, filled 3 contracts, 371. So the max was 50 cents that this would expire at. So I put an order for 41 and I got filled, which comes out to $123 minus 99, so I made $24 on that trade. So plus 24. So the week I was at 478. And then Thursday I decided to, let's see, where is it? Okay. Then Thursday on the 7th, I decided to get into another Amazon call debit. So the first one was a call credit. I'm sorry, the first one was a put debit. So I wanted to play to the downside. This one, I reversed it. I played a call credit for 3125 by 3120. So I wanted the price to stay above 3,125. Let's go to Webull, Amazon, 5 minutes. Right, so this is Friday. So this is Thursday. 3,125. I had bought this at 124. So right around here, the price was around 3,200. So I wanted to play it at least $70 to $75 range below what the price was already at. That's why I picked 31. That's why I did a 3120 by 3125. So I need the price at Amazon, and this was on Thursday. I need the price at Amazon by Friday to stay above 3125. This cost me $900. These trades that are so far in the money, they're high risk with low reward. So the closer you get to the price, the risk drops and the reward gets greater, but the probability gets less. So the greater probability the trade, then the more risk you're taking on and the less reward. And that's what all these trades I've been doing have been. I'm going to try to get into a couple close to the money or in the money and out of the money. So that would be less risk and more reward, but the probability is a lot less. So I paid $960 for this. I bought 2 contracts with a $5 spread. So max profit would be $1,000, so I could make $40 on this. Minus fees, who knows how much that would be. So I bought it around 3,200. Towards the end of the day, Thursday, the price dropped to 3,161. I started getting nervous. So overnight, it went back up to 3,184. And then Friday, the price started dropping again. And it dropped all the way to a low of 3,142. I ended up getting out before this for a loss because I was just too nervous. It's either you get out for a loss or you ride this out the rest of the day, and Amazon could easily move 25, 35, 45, $17. Amazon could easily have moved down $17 more. And if it expired out of the money, I would have lost that full $960. So that was a stupid trade. Well, at first it wasn't a stupid trade. Come in hindsight, if I did hold it, I would have made the $40 because it did end up closing right around 31.82 yesterday. So I would have made the money, but I got nervous and I ended up selling it. I kept throwing a lot of orders out. These are all orders I kept trying to get filled at. I couldn't get filled. The price kept dropping on me, and I finally ended up getting filled at $425. I paid $480 for these. So $852 is what I made off the trade, but I paid $960. So I lost $108 on this trade yesterday. So I was trying to be greedy, and I was trying to make the $40 to get me over 500 for the week. Just because of 500, the number 500 for the week, it just looks good, it sounds good, and it just feels good to make 500 for the week. That's a solid $100 a day. But I ended up taking a $108 loss on that, so I finished the week up 370. So that's my week, which still isn't bad. My goal with this whole spread strategy, because I have a bigger account than my Webull account, that goal was like $25 a day, which I ended up blowing the account trying to do that. But this goal with this kind of strategy I'm doing is $250 a week. And I definitely pass that every week. My smallest week so far is 337. This is my second smallest week. Then last week I made 518, and the first week I was up 612. And that's with way less buying power. So 370 for the week. I'm under 6,000. Not holding anything, but I did end up selling. The Dogecoin. I took a loss on that. I lost like $1.50, and I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. I joined the Bitcoin bandwagon. I'm getting in now. I got in right at the $40,000 mark. So am I up $1? I'm up $1.20 on this. So I'm just gonna sit on this for a while. If this thing dips, then I'll start adding a little here and there, maybe like $10 a week or something. But that's gonna be it for this video. So up 370 for the week. Next week I plan on doing a SPY Wednesday expiration spread and maybe something on Tesla. I'm not sure yet. But I'll show you guys what I mean by risk versus reward. So if you do the same two trades, right, a call debit spread. So the price of Tesla, and nothing's moving right now. All these prices are frozen, so this might be a little funny. But if you were to go way in the money, say the price is at $867. Say you were to do $1,000 spread at $760, so $100 in the money. So $750, you'd buy, sell at $760. So now you need Tesla to stay above $760 by the 15th. This costs $913. Max profit's $1,000. So you're talking $87. Very high probability trade. Lots of risk, little reward. Unless you do a lot of them, and then you're still spending a lot of money though. If you do the same $10 spread in the money and out of the money, so you'd buy, say, the $860, sell the $870, this would be $1,000 max gain too. This is like a 1-to-1. So this will cost you $540, but if Tesla is above $870 by the 15th, then you'll collect $460. And the higher you go, the cheaper these cost. So let's just show one more. So let's go out of the money. Let's say you think by the 15th, which is next Friday, that Tesla's gonna shoot up and it's gonna rally up to $950. Right? Yeah, say you think it's gonna be over $950, so you buy the $940, sell the $950. $1,000 difference, right? $10 times 10, 1,000. This trade right here will cost you $220. So you're talking $780 profit if it's over $950. And you guys should join our Discord because there's a lot of knowledge in there. There's a lot of guys in there that know a lot about this stuff. You could also, what I was taught last week is you can leg these too. You can buy them at different times. So say you were to buy the 890 call. You need this buying power though. Well, let's take the 900. And this is expensive because it's Tesla. So if you were to spend $3,020 and buy this right now, right? So now you're in a call option. The price of Tesla starts going up, and in a call debit you'd want to sell the 920, right? So right now it's $23.50. So you want to buy that. Oh, it's a $220 spread. Alright, let's go. I just want to do an example with a $10. Let's go to another date. Damn, they all go up by... Alright, so we'll do it like this then. So usually you pay a debit for a call debit spread of the difference between the prices of the contracts. So 900, sell the 920. So usually this is a $2,000 spread. $668 is what you pay up front. But if you were to, if the price of Tesla is going up and you buy this for $3,020, right? Then as the price goes up, these get more expensive. You're locked in $3,000. You're locked in right here, $3,018. Now the price of 920 goes above $3,018. Say it goes to $3,990. Say it goes at $30.90, the price of the 920. This goes up too, but now you're locked in at this price already because you bought this. So price goes to $30.90. Then you would sell this. So you'd sell this at $30.90. It would subtract your long call, and it would give you a credit of $72. So you would be in this trade with a $72 credit. So the trade was free. I'm going to try and get into one of these trades. You just have to time it right. But you can get free trades basically if you do this at the right time. So you can get this trade for $72. And if the price of Tesla is above 920 by expiration, you'll get $2,000 on top of that. So max profit would be $2,072. And if Tesla expired underneath both of these both would expire worthless, and you would just keep the $72 credit. So minimum is $72, maximum is $2,072. And people do this. So join the Discord. I'll have a link in the description box below, and you can learn all this stuff for free. There's no charge to join. We're just trying to get, the more knowledge the better all around. So until then, I will talk to you guys next week.